yan.
Oh, Bell, sorry.
And then actually kasi noong hindi ko alam, alam ko konti lang ang dating members ng room na yan. So, nung sumali ako dyan, in-invite ko lahat ng nasa list ko. Then, natuwa naman ako dahil dumarami nga, nakakatuwa dahil syempre, alam mo, party ka rin naman ng bawat isa sa atin nagiging parte ng paglago ng room na yon.
Right.
Kaya lang, yun nga, nung medyo napapansin na ng marami na hindi rin lang sila napapansin doon sa room na yon.
Yeah.
Hindi na-acknowledge yung presence nila na every time na may pumapasok, hindi pa din kinikibo. Parang, di ba, saan mo sila ilalagay kung ganoon na magkaganon na mararamdaman nila. Tapos, sa bagay, iba na yung dito kasi sa amin, meron kasi siguro mga tinitingnan din yung mga tao din dito na namin.
Right.
Doon ko pa nakakausap yung mga tumatanggi na yon kasi may nagsasabi dito na sinasabihan nila. Sabi, 2114 pa lang.
2140, patay na tayo lahat nun.
Sabi ko kasi, ito may reunion ninyo sa patay sa patay. Yun nga, Jonathan Samaniego. Naiano sa akin ni Liwan. Pero nakakatuwa lang kasi pagka ganyan kasi na so far naman sa lahat na nai-invite ko dito sa pag-iikot ko,
Yeah.
marami nang nasasali sa atin dito. Kaya ayun lang po, ma-share ko na marami na tayo dito.
Okay,
And
so
we're looking forward to seeing you guys.
So, bale, alam nyo, wala pa tayong resolution doon sa Facebook page, you know. I don't know, you guys, you wanna talk it out with either Sheila or, you know.
Mas maganda kasi, Joel, kung nandito rin silang dalawa eh.
I know, that's the problem. That's the problem, you know. Ito yung nagiging conflict, guys. Guys, hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the problem, you know. Yun nga eh, yung mga creator wala rin sila. Yun, pagdating ng
Nakausap ko kasi si Shay
Yeah.
kagabi. Yun nga, ang point lang niya is, sana lang, wag naman, teka, para ba-explain. Sana lang, wag tanggalin yung page. Wag siyang sabihan na tanggalin yung page niya.
Right.
Kasi, yun nga, siya naman yung naunang naggawa, respeto na lang. Yun yung point
I know.
na pahatin.
Yeah, siguro ang gagawin, siguro ang masasabi ko, i-revamp na lang yung page niya. Kumbaga, let's try to be more objective and subjective, you know, in like postings. And then,
Parang dito.
Pero-
Okay naman change.
yeah, Ramon, okay, go. Sinong gusto magsalita? Ramon?
Joel, let me speak first.
Yeah.
Yeah, did I heard na mayroong nagsabi kanina that I was the one who suggest that the first page or the first Facebook account would be abolished or mawala kasi parang nawala ako kanina doing something. Pero nakikinig ako, medyo hindi ko lang alam kung someone said na gano'n.
Ikaw, Ramon?
Meron
Wala
ba?
naman.
Wala naman.
Wala nga ganun.
Ay, ganito kasi. Ganito kasi, no?
Sa dami.
Batch natin.
Pero lahat may check na yan. In green.
So, dapat
Kasi lang po, nagpapatong-patong yung sounds. Hindi namin narinig.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up and I'm gonna reset it, okay, guys?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna reset the connection again, okay? Give me like a minute, okay? So everybody can patch up again. Hold on 1 second. Baka kasi nag-static eh. Just give me 1 second, okay? Okay, is everybody connected?
this month.
Hello.
Here.
Okay. So, Ning is connected, Ramon is connected, Felina is connected, Marshall is connected, Edgar is connected, Ruby is connected, Claire is connected, Abigail is connected. So, Ramon, you were saying something?
Yes. siguro suggest ko na lang siguro sa kanina, wala naman talaga yung dalawang owner ng account. Then, meron bang resolution or suggestion na itong dalawang mag-usap na lang sila, and then they are the one who created this account, and we owe this happenings, no, sa kanila, no?
Yeah.
And then, magkaroon sila ng agreement kung sino ba talaga yung mag-stay. Or, I mean, pwede naman mag-stay yung account, pero isa lang dapat yung account
Yeah.
na pupuntahan ng lahat.
Mhm.
So, nagkaroon ba sila ng pag-uusap regarding that? So, definitely, merong mga group dyan that will sabihin, who close to Sheila, and those who are close to Maribeth ba yun, isa?
Yeah, Maribeth, yeah.
They would want to retain kung sino yung mas closest sa kanila. Pero,
Actually, at the very beginning, I think, William, nag-try ako mag-mediate. Pero nga, in-explain ko rin kay Maribeth na yung ganun option, yung ganun situation na pwede magkalituhan, ganyan-ganyan. Pero wala rin nangyari.
Abby, I'm looking at my monitor there. Abby? Okay, so, siguro sabi mo nga, mas maganda nag-mediate sila being there in the US, no? And then, Joel ba nag-try na kausapin yung dalawa?
Sina?
Joel, tried na kausapin yung dalawa?
Yeah, I did. You know, nobody wants to give it up. So, I don't know.
So, walang gustong mag-iba. I mean,
Yeah.
hindi naman as in burahin yung account or
Hindi, kasi the only way that we can have one account, you know, is just to either put down one Facebook page or create a new one and then delete both. You know, that's the only way.
Joel, can I butt in?
Yeah, who's this? Edgar?
Edgar.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Okay, wala akong alam dun sa... meron kasi akong nanging kay Maribeth lang.
Yeah.
So, I guess wala tayong right na to tell both of them, to Sheila and Maribeth, na
Mhm.
i-close yung account nila. Kasi, yun nga, as Abby said, may effort doon in everything, time, effort, and everything. So, and nila yun, initiative nila, open it up, na magkaroon nun, para magkaroon ng connection yung, siguro at first, yung mga friends nila back in high school, no? Like I could only say na right now, hindi ko matandaan talaga yung yung especially mga dito sa natin sa Skype, hindi ko matandaan yung iba, and siguro it comes with age, memory. So ngayon, I guess yung ginawa nila Sheila is para muna at the moment for yung initially para dun sa mga close friends, then eventually na rin yun, no? Dadami na rin. Kumbaga magkakaroon na rin ng network. And ganoon din kay Maribeth, I think yun yung niya, no, yung kung bakit niya ginawa yung page yun.
Right.
So ngayon, dun sa dahil nga nag-create tayo ng group para dun sa 2014, can we just ask someone from our batch who would make a new one, official na natin, kung saan nandun yung mga lahat ng mga itineraries, lahat ng usapan, yung mga lahat ng mga meetings and everything, doon na lang ilagay. Tapos let them continue yung kay Sheila tsaka kay Maribeth. I don't think I think yes. Okay.
Tingin mo, is Facebook the right venue? Hindi kaya mas maganda na iba na lang, like a website maybe?
Hindi, kasi ang problem, everybody's connected to Facebook. Yun kasi everybody's familiar with Facebook.
Yung Facebook is like